Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is Rustam. I'm addressing second semester BS students studying English at Government Degree College, Havelia. Other students can also benefit. Today I'm just going to talk about how can we use WPS Office. As you can see on the screen, this program, which I just put a circle around, is used to open all types of files. So how to download it? So you need to go to Google Play Store, okay, and just here is Google Play Store. I'm circling it, so click on it, and so you can type here WPS, okay. So this is the topmost program, as you can see here. When you click on it, so you are prompted. So this is WPS, okay. W means word files, P means PowerPoint, and S means spreadsheet, that is Excel sheet. So when you click on it, it will start downloading, okay. As I have already downloaded it, so I'm being prompted with open. So once it is downloaded, you can click on open. It will be installed. After installation, it will its icon will be placed on your smartphone like this. Now let's say this is my WhatsApp. Let me click on it. So here right now, this is my female students group. So here I gave you a task. Let me find out the task. As this is the task that define reading, explain process of reading, differentiate between skimming and scan, etc. So you can do this task by opening a word page document. So you can note down all the questions into your notes register, and then come here and open this WPS, this one, okay. I'm going to click on it. There will be lot of advertisement, so you can skip that this advertisement. Now click on this plus button, okay. So if you are using smartphone, this video is for smartphone users, okay. So this all is advertisement, okay. You can skip it, okay. I'm going to skip it. So again come here. Now click here. Just a minute, let me, okay. Now I'm going to click here. Now it is asking you to open what type of document, okay. Now whether you want to create MS Word, MS PowerPoint, or a spreadsheet, that is MS Excel. So I simply want to open a blank MS Word document. Now here is the document. So I'm going to click here, blank, okay. Click here. Now an MS Word document is open in front of you, as you can see. So first question was let's say define reading, okay. Define, let me define reading, okay. So I'm using keypad of my smartphone, okay. So you can say reading is both a physical and mental process, okay, of extracting meaning or message, okay, MESSAG, message, from written symbols. Then you can further explain. So once this document has been prepared, you can click here, okay. This is a save button, save. When you click on save, MS Word document asks you to name the file. So you can click here, as you can see, and erase the already the title given. So you can say let's say definition of reading. Now this is the name of the file. Now click on save. So after you have clicked on save, now last click on done, okay. Now your document is saved. Now you can click from this place, okay, share. Here is a button, as you can see here, share. Now click on share. Now further options are send file, so click on send. Okay, just a minute, let me go back, let me take you back. Okay, here again share, send file. Now your smartphone asks you how to share, whether it should be shared through email, WhatsApp or Bluetooth, etc. So you can say WhatsApp, let's say. So you can click on WhatsApp. Now here you can search this is the area you can search my name. Okay, let's say Rustam. Okay, as it is my mobile phone, when you are going to search it, so your name will appear. Let's say I want to share this with any student. Let me click on, let me find out some student. Let's say English second. Okay, English second, and here is a student's name, let's say Mujib. Okay, or Azim or Ali. Let's say I want to share it with Ali, so I will click here, as you can see. Then here is a button. Okay, so click on it. Now this file has been shared with Muhammad Ali. Okay, as you can see here, definition. So this way you can either share it in the group or you can personally send this file to me. Okay, let me show you. If you want to share it in the group, so what are you going to do? Okay, I'm going to click again on share. Okay, let me share. Now send file, WhatsApp. So here is the group, as you can see here, English second GDCA Valiant female students or male students. So I will click here and then it is selected, as you can see. So after this I'm going to click on this button. Okay, click, and it is now shared in the group. So this is how you can create an MS Word document. So now this document, as you can see, it is known as MS Word file. So it is easy for me to download. Okay, I'm going to click and open it. So now I can give you feedback. I can save it in my computer. Okay, and if I want to correct it, I can easily edit it. As you can see, here is a button edit for in front of me, so I can edit it. So if you want to write your answer in a rough notes register, and then you want to take a picture or screenshots and you want to send it to me, it will be very difficult for me to read and edit it. So an MS Word document can be edited by the tutor. I can give you feedback. So you must learn how to use how to create an MS Word file on your smartphone. If you are not clear, I can create another video and I can guide you. Thank you very much.